Hi guys, I'm here to pick up my rice. I cooked it in this solar. I just made it yesterday, and this is a solar cooker that I made. I was so interested because I was gonna buy one, and it says $99, and some that are good ones has a good review is almost $500. Anyway, I made it, and here it is. I'm harvesting my steam rice. I cooked since the morning. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. It's very hot. I think I can attach it. Here, I'm gonna show you. Again, just one more look. I just cut out this to make a solar cooker. I just cut out our old ice chest made of styrofoam. And this one is from Amazon packaging, styrofoam, and I just wrap it with a reflective tape and aluminum foil. That's it. And this is the dimension inside. I think I put too much, a bigger pot. That's why it took a long time to cook the rice. But tomorrow I'm gonna bake a cake. I'm gonna bake a small banana cake. Let's see. Wow, I'm ready to rock and roll. We're gonna have dinner soon. It's almost 7 o'clock. Alright, just want to share that with you. It's so easy to make. You guys can take advantage of the sun. No need to spend money on paying gas or burning charcoal. I know I have that rocket stove over there. I also can use that using twigs, but you know, if you inhale the smoke, it's not good for your lungs. So I think to be safe, cooking rice, I'll go with the solar cooker. Again, to my family in the Philippines, this is gonna be very beneficial to you guys, especially you have a lot of sun over there. Spot here. I'll check. Tomorrow I'll bake some banana muffin, and I will show you guys as well. Thank you for watching.